नमस्कार, मैं हूँ रीना अगस्टीन और आप देख रहे हैं इंडस टेलीविजन। मैं यहाँ एशिया पैसिफिक अवार्ड्स में हूँ। राइट नाउ वी आर सेलिब्रेटिंग द 13th एशिया पैसिफिक अवार्ड्स, जहाँ पे 70 नेशंस प्रेजेंट हैं, डायरेक्टर्स और एक्टर्स प्रेजेंट हैं यहाँ पे, और सारे रेड कार्पेट में आ रहे हैं। और आज मनोज बाजपेयी जी भी हैं जो इंडिया से ऑस्ट्रेलिया आए हैं। ये 2017 में भी आए थे और अवार्ड जीत कर गए थे। तो दिल थाम के बैठिए, अवार्ड्स फिनिश होने के बाद पता चलेगा कौन विनर है। नमस्कार, इंडस टेलीविजन में आपका बहुत बहुत स्वागत है। मैं हूँ रीना अगस्टीन और मेरे साथ है बीना पॉल जी। बीना जी, आप इंडिया से आए हैं?
मैं इंडिया से आई हूँ, मैं केरल से आई हूँ।
अरे वाह, आप मुझे आपके बारे में थोड़ा बताएंगे और आप यहाँ पे क्या कर रहे हैं?
मैं एक फिल्म फेस्टिवल की डायरेक्टर हूँ, आर्टिस्टिक डायरेक्टर, केरला फिल्म फेस्टिवल की। बहुत बड़ा फेस्टिवल होता है केरला में, गवर्नमेंट ऑफ केरला जो लगाती है। और मैं एक फिल्म एडिटर भी हूँ और यहाँ आई हूँ एप्सा फिल्म लैब के लिए। यहाँ हम थोड़े स्क्रिप्ट को मेंटर करते हैं। सो आई एम अ मेंटर फॉर अ स्क्रिप्ट।
जी, आप ऑस्ट्रेलिया में पहली बार आए हैं?
नहीं, तीसरी बार है।
अरे वाह,
क्योंकि मैं ग्रिफिथ यूनिवर्सिटी के साथ बहुत काम करती हूँ।
अरे वाह। और ऑस्ट्रेलिया कैसा लगा और ब्रिस्बेन स्पेशली कैसा लगा?
बहुत अच्छा लगा। मैं कहीं वैसे ब्रिस्बेन ही गई हूँ, बहुत अच्छा लगा। इतनी छोटी सी जगह भी नहीं है, उतनी बड़ी सी भी नहीं है। आई मीन इट हैज़ दिस feeling of a small city which is really nice. The weather is lovely, the people are amazing.
That's amazing to hear. और बीना जी, आज जो ये शो है उसमें आप क्या वेट कर रही हैं देखने के लिए?
वेल, थोड़े इंडियन नॉमिनेशन है, उसका तो बहुत ही एंथुजियास्टिक रिस्पॉन्स है अब तक। देखो अभी कैसा होगा। और फिर मैं एक अवार्ड अनाउंस करने वाली हूँ। तो और पूरा रात ही, मतलब यहाँ जो एशिया पैसिफिक का अकेडमी जो करते हैं, इट इज़ almost equal to the Oscars, so we're really looking forward.
I am very glad to have you here. Nice meeting you, and we'll be seeing you inside.
Yes,
Thank you. Hello everybody, I'm here with the King of Cakes. Hello Mr. Wolfgang, how are you today?
Very excited, very happy to be here, and even more excited to talk to you.
Thank you, thank you. You're looking forward to this APSA Awards every year. What year?
What's different, that's definitely the location. So, but apart from that, I think it's the nomination they're going to be presented, and the rest we will see.
That's great.
As evening progresses.
One more question. Are you here for any of the actors or actresses, or just to enjoy the evening?
I think I'm here to enjoy the evening and just watch. Maybe Russia wins again an award, we don't know.
There you go.
It's all out in the open.
That's great. Ladies and gentlemen, King of Cakes, Mr. Wolfgang here. Hello everybody, I have the most gorgeous lady over here, Hannah, and the friend Emma. Hello Hannah.
Hi Rina.
And Emma.
Rina, how are you?
Very good, very good. So, have you been to this event before?
We have never been to this event before. This is our first time, and we're loving walking the red carpet. We feel like real celebrities.
Hannah, you are a
Exactly.
celebrity. Tell us about a bit of a background.
Yeah, so Emma and I are both professional models. Emma's actually modelled over in Milan and London, and I am now currently working in advertising, so I've taken a more of a backstage, I guess, approach to my career now, looking at production.
And you
which is
represented
very exciting.
Australia, Miss World Australia.
Yes, I competed in Miss World Australia, which was very exciting. That
Yes.
was again a couple of years ago.
There you go. You
Yeah.
are a celebrity. I told them already.
Thank
So,
you.
do you know any actors or actresses tonight, or you're just here to enjoy the red carpet and the event?
Yes, we're here to actually enjoy the 3-course meal that's going to be provided. We've heard some great things about the catering at the venue, so the champagne and the food will definitely.
It is
excited for that.
actually very amazing. So true. Thank you, Emma, and thank you, Hannah.
Thanks,
Ladies
Reena.
and gentlemen, the beautiful, gorgeous girls. Thank you.
मेरा नाम है जानवी और मेरी फिल्म यहाँ पर नॉमिनेट हुई है 2 कैटेगरीज में, बेस्ट फिल्म एंड अचीवमेंट इन सिनेमेटोग्राफी. सो आई एम हियर टू पार्टिसिपेट सेरेमनी.
फैंटास्टिक. रिदम जी, आप पहली बार पहले आए हैं कि पहले भी आ चुके हैं?
ये मेरी पहली
बार. और कैसा लगा आपको?
आई रियली लाइक द प्लेस. मुझे अच्छा लगा यहाँ पे आके और मैं आशा करता हूँ मुझे और मौके मिले आने के एंड मैं ज़रूर आऊँगा.
हमारा क्वींसलैंड को कहते हैं सनशाइन स्टेट, और कैसा लगा यहाँ गर्मी?
वेल मैं तो भारत से हूँ, वहाँ पर तो गर्मी काफ़ी होती ही है और गोवा में रहता हूँ. काफ़ी मुझे लगा कि वहाँ का वेदर यहाँ के वेदर से काफ़ी मेल खाता है, तो मुझे थोड़ा होप लगा.
बिल्कुल. बहुत अच्छा लगा आपसे बात करने को, और हम आपसे बाद में भी बात करेंगे.
शुक्रिया.
थैंक यू. थैंक यू. Hello everybody, I have the gorgeous Sharon and Serena right here who will be telling me what exactly they are doing there, and of course the background where they come from. Hello Sharon.
Hello, Rin. How are you?
Very good. Hello Serena.
Hi, Rina. How are you?
Very good. Pleasure to have you both here. I'll start from you, Sharon. Tell me a bit of a background of yourself and to the journey to the AXA Awards here.
Oh, okay. Well, how much time do you have? So I have previously lived in Europe, and I was formerly an international model for about 25 years. But I was always working mostly photographic, but then television. So from there I moved to be a TV presenter, where I am now, and I'm a TV producer now. I've been doing that for the last 10 years. And I'm originally a Brisbane girl, so I left here when I was 18, and I came back in my late 30s. And yeah, I'm very proud to be back in Australia. And because I'm now a producer, I got involved with the APSA Awards, which I think is absolutely fabulous.
Amazing, amazing. Thank you, Sharon, and hello, Serena. What brings you here?
Yeah, we came together.
Tell me a bit about your background, Serena.
Yeah, many people know that I'm a model in Brisbane, and yeah, I'm still doing a modeling job.
So, are you here? Are you wearing any design of the designer, or is it your own style?
So this one actually I create by myself, but I have my dressmaker in Thailand that can do it for me, because normally with my clothes I always adding like some of the culture and traditional elements. You say like I'm so proud of my home country, Thailand.
Fantastic. Thank you, ladies. मेरे साथ हैं जाने माने अभिनेता, इंडिया से आए हैं, जो कि नॉमिनेटेड है भोसले फिल्म के लिए. मनोज बाजपेयी जी, आपका बहुत बहुत स्वागत है.
थैंक यू वेरी मच. थैंक यू.
और ऑस्ट्रेलिया आपका दूसरी बार है यहाँ पे? तीसरी बार
ब्रिस्बेन में.
ब्रिस्बेन में. और कैसा लगा ब्रिस्बेन?
बहुत सुंदर लगता है और इसलिए भी सुंदर लगता है क्योंकि एप्सा यहीं पे होता है।
बिल्कुल। और आपको गोल्ड कोस्ट के बारे में कुछ बोलेंगे?
नहीं, गोल्ड कोस्ट में एक बार गया था,
जी।
लेकिन एक दिन के लिए गया था। इस बार मौका नहीं लग पाया क्योंकि काफ़ी बिजी शेड्यूल है, तो सिर्फ अवार्ड के लिए यहाँ पे चला जाऊँगा, बट फैमिली को लेकर जरूर आऊँगा गोल्ड कोस्ट।
बिल्कुल। आपकी भोसले मूवी के बारे में थोड़ा बताएंगे आप?
भोसले मूवी एक पुलिसमैन के बारे में जो कि रिटायरमेंट की एज तक चला गया है, लेकिन रिटायरमेंट चाहता नहीं है, और कैसी उसकी ज़िंदगी होती है रिटायरमेंट के बाद उस तरह के शहर में जहाँ पे ऑलरेडी बहुत सारे प्रॉब्लम चल रहे हैं, और कैसे वो सारे अपनी लोनलीनेस से कैसे वो फेस करता है, कैसे उससे पार पाता है, इसकी कहानी है।
अरे वाह, हम एक्चुअली आपको विन करना देखना चाहते हैं
Please.
और आपका इंटरव्यू फिर से लेंगे हम।
थैंक यू भाई।
हम आपको अंदर रेड कार्पेट पे देखेंगे।
Thank you.
बहुत बहुत
Thank you.
शुक्रिया।
Thank you.
थैंक यू। Hello, and the beautiful APSA runs because of you. That's what I have heard. What are your views on that?
I don't think that's quite true, but this event is certainly my favourite film event of the year in Australia. It's an amazing event. The award ceremony itself is incredible. It's always, strangely, very moving sometimes, seeing the stories that have told from different countries in the region. Always uplifting, and you always come out of the event extremely inspired.
Wow, is there anything special you're looking forward to tonight?
Surprise.
Ooh.
I'm always surprised here. Yeah, every year that I come and I just see all the little clips of all the movies from around the world, and I just come out and I'm just like hungry to see those films, because there's extraordinary films that we wouldn't have known about otherwise than having this event.
Mr. David, I would like to tell you a secret. There are so many people over here who have bought the tickets just because you're here tonight.
Oh, really?
Yes, yes.
Oh,
So
wow.
you're the lucky man here, and we will be seeing you hosting the show tonight, yes?
I'll be up there at some stage, yes.
Fantastic. Hello everybody, I'm here with the person who actually started the APSA award, Mr. Jack. Hello Mr. Jack.
Hey, how are you?
Very-
It's a delight to be here, I have to say. Yeah.
It is amazing. We actually try and attend every year, and we see different people, Australia growing, and so many multicultural people over here.
Yes.
So this is what your vision was?
Yes, and the vision grows, and each year it has become more people and more important. This is our 13th year, and this year there are 37 nominees from 22 different countries and regions. It's really exciting. And there's a couple of Australian movies in there, which isn't bad when you consider the competition from probably one of the great powerhouses of filmmaking, the whole of the Asia Pacific region. Quite extraordinary.
Wow. Mr. Jack, you have spent all your life in movies, acting, directing. Could you please tell our Indian viewers what exactly you have been doing and are doing right now?
Well, it would take a long time to tell you what I have been doing, because I've been at it for 50 years. And
Wow.
I've made over 60 feature films and a lot of television on top of that. What I'm doing at the moment is I've just finished making 2 movies. One in the Northern Territory here in Australia with Simon Baker. And we just finished making a film in South Australia, a comedy called Never Too Late, with Jackie Weaver and with Jamie Cromwell and Dennis Waterman. So I'm looking forward to the release of those 2 movies.
Fantastic. And do you know when that is?
March, April next year. Yeah.
All the best for that.
Thank you
Ladies
very
and
much.
gentlemen, Mr. Jack right here.
Thank you.
And I've got these 2 amazing people right here, the best couple in Brisbane, and here at the APSA Awards 2019, the 13th award. Hello Tammy and hello Ron.
Hello, Rena. How
We
are you?
actually go a very long time, and it's been like 6 years I know you.
Yes.
And you have been in this industry for a long time,
Indeed.
seen you in the APSA events all the time. So tell me what exactly it gives you and why you're here.
And I think APSA or Asia Pacific Screen Awards is actually an amazing, film festival, and showcasing all the talents from the international cities from Asia Pacific. So I think some about 200 countries, and it's brilliant. I think it's like the film of all films, you know, tonight, and of all cities in Brisbane International City, and it's great. And I think it's really proud for us as part of the Brisbane City, and to have amazing talents and celebrities and directors to celebrate the beautiful evening with us.
Correct, that's correct. I'm looking forward to the evening. There are 70 nations and many actors and actresses are here.
Yes.
But I was asked that, are you one of the actors and actresses? So I'm like, I better interview guys and tell them they are the celebrity right here.
You look amazing.
Thank you.
You are definitely a celebrity. You're absolutely stunning.
Celebrity couple.
Yes.
And yes, Tammy, tell me, how have you been this whole 2019 and what's coming up 2019 December?
Oh God, 2019 has been a pretty good ride for us. It's been very, very busy. Lots to do, which is good, which is a good sign as well. And December, I think it's just slowing down and having a good break with the family.
Fantastic. Ladies and gentlemen, Ron Yap and Tammy Yap right here with me. Thank you. I'm Reena Augustine from Indus Television. Hello everybody, I'm Reena Augustine and I have got Yin and Shu and here at the APSA Awards. Let me introduce you to them. Hello Yin.
Hello.
Hello, and Shu, hello. So where are you from and why are you here?
I'm from China and I had 2 films nominated at APSA. That's why I'm here.
And Mr. Shu?
I'm from China. I'm from BP.
Okay. Yeah. So you are a writer or a director?
I'm the producer.
Producer. Fantastic. So is this your first time in Australia?
Yes.
And do you like it?
Yes, of course.
Yes.
What
Yeah.
a beautiful country.
It is amazing. Is it your first time too? First time?
Yeah.
Yes. Oh, fantastic. And Brisbane is the first time you have arrived, or you've been to Melbourne, Sydney, or anywhere else?
No.
Only
My first time in
Brisbane?
Australia.
Oh, wow. How is the weather treating you? Is it hot, too hot, or you're fine?
It's hot because in Beijing it's in winter now.
There you go.
Yeah, so I think the difference, we can count 30 to 40, the difference.
Alrighty. All the best for your movies and good luck, and I'll be seeing you inside the show. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you.
And the APSA for Best Performance by an Actor goes to Manoj Bajpayee. Well, once.
Okay, first of all, good evening to everybody. And, this evening, I was not thinking about it. I was very happy, quite joyous, celebrating the atmosphere. But some of the friends, they made it sure that they make me nervous. So I started feeling the anxiety and nervousness sitting there, thanks to my friends who were sitting beside me. And I was hoping and praying that this time I should win it, not for anybody, but for my little daughter, because she is hoping that her dad will win some award this evening. Bhosle has a long story in the making. 4.5 years back, 5 years back, Devashish Makhija, the director, came to me. I love the script. Since then, we've been trying to find finance for the film. And each and everyone who came in, thinking that Manoj Bajpayee is part of it, this must be something, and they ran away. So I really thank Devashish Makhija and all the gang of producers who put in a little bit of money in making this film. This film is a very, very special film to me. And winning this award is actually like a poetic justice for each and every team member of this film. So thank you, APSA. Thank you, Jack. It's such a privilege standing next to you. Thank you, Devashish Makhija, my co-actor, Santosh, Ipshita, everyone who is associated with the film, each and everyone who was there on the set. For many days, they worked without money. Thank you, each one of you. Thank you very much. Thank you all of you for really praying and hoping that I would win. And also I must congratulate Naved and each and every nominee in the category for really giving such a remarkable performances in their films. I learn a lot from you guys. Thank you very much.
नमस्कार, इंडस टेलीविज़न में आपका बहुत बहुत स्वागत है। मैं हूँ रीना अगस्टीन और मेरे साथ है मनोज बाजपेयी जी, जो अभी बेस्ट परफॉर्मर एक्टर की अवार्ड जीते हैं। कांग्रेचुलेशंस मनोज जी।
थैंक यू वेरी मच।
कैसा फील हो रहा है आपको?
बहुत अच्छा फील हो रहा है। मैं बता नहीं सकता हूँ शब्दों में कि मैं कितना अच्छा महसूस कर रहा हूँ, क्योंकि आज पहली बार जब मुझे मिला था तो मैं नर्वस नहीं था।
ओके।
और इस बार मैं ज़्यादा नर्वस था। शायद इसलिए भी कि मेरी बेटी बहुत ज़्यादा बात कर रही थी कि आप जीतोगे। कई बार बोले जा रही थी, तो शायद मैं उसके लिए नर्वस होना शुरू हो गया कि उसका दिल न टूट जाए।
अरे बाप रे। तो बहुत अच्छा लग रहा है आपको, और हमारे जो दर्शक हैं वो बहुत ज़्यादा खुश हैं कि आपने इंडिया को प्राउड किया है 2016 में भी और अभी भी।
थैंक यू।
और ये जो भोसले है वो आपके दिल के बहुत करीब है, वो रीज़न क्या है बता सकते हैं?
नहीं, 4.5 साल लग गया इसके लिए फाइनेंस ढूंढने में। किसी तरीके से हमने पैसा जुगाड़ करके फिल्म को बनाया और आज यहाँ पर हैं हम। और इस तरीके ये अवार्ड सिर्फ अवार्ड नहीं है, ये सारे लोगों की मेहनत का नतीजा है।
जी बिल्कुल। किसी स्पेशल पर्सन को आप थैंक करना चाहेंगे?
आप देवाशीष मखीजा, माय डायरेक्टर। मैं वो और मैं हाथ डाल करके एक साथ चलते रहे और आज यहाँ तक पहुँचे।
अरे वाह, कांग्रेचुलेशंस वंस अगेन मनोज जी, एंड थैंक यू वेरी मच।
थैंक यू।
मेरे साथ हैं यहाँ पे जिन्होंने अभी अवार्ड विन किया है। ओह माय गॉड, कांग्रेचुलेशंस।
थैंक यू सो मच।
हम सब बहुत खुश हैं क्योंकि पहला जो विनिंग हुआ है वो इंडियन बैकग्राउंड से हुआ है। तो आप प्लीज़ हमारे व्यूवर्स के कुछ बता सकते हैं ये अवार्ड आपके क्या मायने रखता है?
ये मैं कैसे बताऊं, ये बहुत ही बड़ी बात है कि हमें यहाँ बुलाया गया, और फर्स्टली नॉमिनेशन ही इतनी बड़ी बात थी मेरे लिए, और ये अवार्ड से मैं बहुत ही खुश हूँ। और जो लोग मेरे साथ में इस फिल्म के अंदर काम किए हैं उन सभी को ये डेडिकेट करता हूँ मैं। और मुझे पता नहीं, भाई मैं बहुत एक्साइटेड और नर्वस भी हूँ।
बिल्कुल। बहुत अच्छा लगा कि आप विन हुए हैं। अब अगर आप वापस जाएंगे, ऐसी कोई मूवी बनाने का कोई आशा है कि कोई मूवी चल रहा है आपका?
मैं कुछ अभी 2 प्रोजेक्ट्स पे काम कर रहा हूँ, और आशा करता हूँ उनमें से जल्दी एक ना एक फिल्म जल्दी से बन जाएगी और आप लोग को एक और फिल्म देखने का मौका मिलेगा।
और यहाँ पे ब्रिस्बेन में वापसी आपका
इंशाल्लाह ज़रूर ऐसा होगा।
बिल्कुल। रिदम जी, इंडस टेलीविजन से बात करने के लिए बहुत शुक्रिया। मैं हूँ रीना अगस्टीन। कांग्रेचुलेशंस वंस अगेन।
थैंक यू सो मच।
थैंक यू।